Welcome! Today, we're diving into how to create a beginner exercise plan specifically for people with high blood pressure. Exercise is a powerful tool for managing hypertension, but it's important to approach it safely and thoughtfully. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started, highlight key considerations, and share practical tips to help you build a routine that supports your health. Whether you're new to exercise or returning after a break, this guide will help you take your first steps with confidence. Let's begin by understanding why exercise matters for blood pressure control. Exercise plays a crucial role in managing high blood pressure. Regular physical activity helps your heart become stronger and more efficient at pumping blood, which can lower the pressure in your arteries. It also helps with weight management, reduces stress, and improves overall cardiovascular health. For people with hypertension, even moderate exercise can make a significant difference. But before starting any new routine, it's important to understand your current health status and set realistic goals. Let's look at the first step, consulting your healthcare provider. Before starting any exercise plan, especially if you have high blood pressure, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider. Your doctor can assess your overall health, review your medications, and help you identify any limitations or precautions. This step ensures that your exercise plan is safe and tailored to your specific needs. It's also a good opportunity to discuss what types of activities are best for you and how to monitor your blood pressure during exercise. Once you have your doctor's approval, you can move forward with confidence. Setting realistic and achievable goals is a key part of building a successful exercise plan. Start by identifying what you hope to accomplish, such as lowering your blood pressure, increasing your energy, or improving your mood. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, aim to walk for 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, progress may be slow at first, but consistency is more important than intensity. Celebrate small victories along the way. When starting out, focus on activities that are safe and effective for managing high blood pressure. Aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, swimming, and dancing are excellent choices. These activities get your heart rate up without putting too much strain on your body. Avoid high intensity or heavy weightlifting at the beginning, as these can cause spikes in blood pressure. Instead, choose activities you enjoy and can stick with over time. The key is to find something that fits your lifestyle and keeps you motivated. Walking is one of the safest and most accessible forms of exercise for beginners. With high blood pressure, it's low impact, easy to start, and doesn't require special equipment. Begin with short walks, such as 10 to 15 minutes at a comfortable pace. As you build endurance, gradually increase your walking time and frequency. Walking outdoors can also boost your mood and provide a refreshing change of scenery. Remember to wear comfortable shoes and stay hydrated. Let's explore how to structure your walking sessions. To get the most benefit from walking, structure your sessions with a warm-up, steady pace, and cool down. Begin with 3 to 5 minutes of slow walking to warm up your muscles and prepare your body. Then, pick up the pace to a moderate level where you can still hold a conversation. Aim for 10 to 20 minutes at this pace, depending on your comfort. Finish with another 3 to 5 minutes of slow walking to cool down. This approach helps prevent injury and allows your heart rate to adjust gradually. For beginners, aim to exercise at least 3 times a week. Each session can start at 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase to 30 minutes as your fitness improves. Consistency is key. Regular activity is more effective than occasional intense workouts. Listen to your body and rest if you feel fatigued or unwell. Over time, try to reach the recommended goal of 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Remember, every bit of movement counts, and building a routine takes time. It's important to monitor your blood pressure regularly, especially when starting a new exercise routine. Check your blood pressure before and after exercise to see how your body responds. If you notice any unusual symptoms, such as dizziness, chest pain, or excessive shortness of breath, stop exercising and consult your doctor. Keeping a log of your readings can help you and your healthcare provider track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Let's look at how to keep your exercise safe. While exercise is generally safe, it's important to recognize warning signs that may indicate a problem. Stop exercising immediately if you experience chest pain, severe shortness of breath, dizziness, fainting, or irregular heartbeat. These symptoms could signal a serious issue and require prompt medical attention. Always listen to your body and don't push through discomfort. It's better to be cautious and seek advice if you're unsure. Safety should always come first on your fitness journey. Warming up before exercise is essential, especially for people with high blood pressure. A proper warm-up gradually increases your heart rate and prepares your muscles for activity, reducing the risk of injury and sudden blood pressure spikes. Spend at least 5 minutes doing gentle movements like slow walking, arm circles, or light stretching. This helps your body transition smoothly into more vigorous activity. Let's see some simple warm-up exercises you can try. Start your exercise session with easy warm-up moves. Try marching in place, gentle arm swings, or shoulder rolls for a few minutes. These movements increase blood flow to your muscles and help your body adjust to activity. You can also add light stretches for your legs, arms, and back. The goal is to feel slightly warmer and more flexible, but not tired. Warming up is a small step that makes a big difference in your overall safety and comfort during exercise. After exercising, it's just as important to cool down as it is to warm up. Cooling down helps your heart rate and blood pressure return to normal gradually. Spend 5 minutes walking slowly or doing gentle stretches. Focus on deep breathing to help your body relax. This not only prevents dizziness or lightheadedness, but also reduces muscle soreness. Make cooling down a regular part of your routine to support your recovery and overall well-being. Incorporating stretching into your routine improves flexibility and reduces muscle tension. After your cool down, spend a few minutes stretching your major muscle groups, such as your legs, arms, and back. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds without bouncing. Stretching helps maintain your range of motion and can make daily activities easier. It's a gentle way to finish your workout and support your body's recovery process. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when exercising with high blood pressure. Drink water before, during, and after your workout to help your body function properly. Dehydration can make your heart work harder and may affect your blood pressure. Carry a water bottle with you and take small sips regularly. Avoid sugary or caffeinated drinks, as they can raise your blood pressure. Proper hydration supports your performance and overall health. Wearing comfortable and appropriate clothing can make your exercise experience safer and more enjoyable. Choose breathable fabrics that allow sweat to evaporate and keep you cool. Supportive shoes are especially important for walking or other aerobic activities. Proper footwear helps prevent injuries and provides stability. If you exercise outdoors, dress for the weather, and consider wearing a hat or sunscreen for protection. The right gear sets you up for success. You can exercise either indoors or outdoors, depending on your preference and the weather. Indoor options include walking on a treadmill, using a stationary bike, or following online workout videos. Outdoor activities like walking in the park or cycling can be refreshing and boost your mood. Choose a safe environment with even surfaces to reduce the risk of falls. The most important thing is to find a setting where you feel comfortable and motivated to move. Once you're comfortable with aerobic exercise, consider adding light strength training to your routine. Use light weights or resistance bands to work your major muscle groups. Start with 1 or 2 sessions per week, focusing on proper form and slow, controlled movements. Avoid holding your breath or lifting heavy weights, as these can raise your blood pressure. Strength training helps build muscle, support joints, and improve overall function. When doing strength training, avoid the Valsalva maneuver, holding your breath while lifting. This can cause a dangerous spike in blood pressure. Instead, breathe out as you lift or push, and breathe in as you lower the weight. Practicing proper breathing techniques keeps your blood pressure stable and reduces the risk of complications. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a trainer or following instructional videos. Incorporate balance and flexibility exercises into your weekly routine. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or simple balance drills can improve stability and prevent falls, especially as you age. These exercises are generally low impact and can be adapted to your fitness level. They also help reduce stress, which is beneficial for blood pressure control. Aim to include these activities at least once or twice a week for a well-rounded program. Keeping track of your exercise sessions and progress can boost motivation and help you stay on course. Use a journal, app, or calendar to record your workouts, duration, and how you feel afterward. Tracking helps you see improvements over time and identify patterns that work best for you. Share your progress with your healthcare provider to get feedback and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Staying motivated is key to maintaining a regular exercise routine. Find activities you enjoy and mix things up to keep it interesting. Set small, achievable goals and reward yourself for reaching them. Consider exercising with a friend or joining a group for extra support. Remember, it's normal to have ups and downs. What matters most is getting back on track and not giving up. Your health is worth the effort. Pay close attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. If you experience pain, discomfort, or unusual symptoms, stop and rest. It's important to distinguish between normal muscle fatigue and warning signs of a problem. Adjust your routine as needed and don't hesitate to seek advice from your healthcare provider. Listening to your body helps prevent injury and ensures your exercise plan remains safe and effective. Some blood pressure medications can affect your heart rate or how you feel during exercise. For example, beta blockers may keep your heart rate lower than expected. Be aware of how your medications influence your body and adjust your exercise intensity accordingly. If you're unsure, ask your doctor for guidance on safe activity levels and signs to watch for. Understanding your medications helps you exercise safely and effectively. Exercising in very hot or cold weather can put extra strain on your heart and blood pressure. Try to work out indoors during extreme temperatures, or choose cooler times of day if you prefer outdoor activity. Dress appropriately and stay hydrated. Pay attention to how you feel and stop if you notice symptoms like dizziness or excessive sweating. Keeping your environment comfortable supports a safer exercise experience. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise itself. Allow your body time to recover between sessions, especially when you're starting out. This helps prevent overuse injuries and supports muscle growth and repair. Listen to your body and take extra rest days if you feel tired or sore. Quality sleep and relaxation also contribute to better blood pressure control and overall health. As your fitness improves, you can gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. Add a few extra minutes to your walks, try a slightly faster pace, or include new activities. Make changes slowly and pay attention to how your body responds. The goal is to challenge yourself without overdoing it. Gradual progress helps you build endurance and strength safely. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Completing your first week of exercise, walking a little farther, or feeling more energetic are all reasons to be proud. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and helps you stick with your routine. Share your progress with friends or family and reward yourself in healthy ways. Remember, every step forward is a victory for your health. Consistency is the foundation of any successful exercise plan. Try to make physical activity a regular part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating meals. Set reminders, schedule workouts, or pair exercise with another habit to help you stay on track. Over time, consistency leads to lasting improvements in your blood pressure and overall well-being. Everyone faces obstacles on their fitness journey, whether it's lack of time, motivation, or energy. Identify your personal barriers and brainstorm solutions. For example, if you're short on time, try shorter sessions spread throughout the day. If motivation is low, find a workout buddy or join a class. Remember, it's normal to encounter setbacks. What matters is finding ways to keep moving forward. Having support from friends, family, or a community can make a big difference in sticking with your exercise plan. Share your goals with others and invite them to join you. Group activities or classes can provide encouragement and accountability. Social support not only makes exercise more enjoyable, but also helps you stay motivated during challenging times. Technology can be a helpful tool for beginners. Fitness apps, wearable trackers, and online workout videos offer guidance, track your progress, and provide motivation. Many apps have features tailored for people with health conditions like high blood pressure. Use these resources to set reminders, monitor your activity, and learn new exercises. Technology can make your fitness journey more interactive and enjoyable. Exercise isn't just about physical health, it also benefits your mind. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or mindful walking can reduce stress and promote relaxation, both of which are important for blood pressure control. Pay attention to your breathing and how your body feels during exercise. Mindful movement helps you stay present and enjoy the process, making it easier to stick with your routine. A balanced diet supports your exercise efforts and helps manage blood pressure. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit salt, processed foods, and sugary drinks. Good nutrition provides the energy you need for physical activity and aids in recovery. If you have questions about your diet, consider consulting a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Over time, regular exercise can help lower your blood pressure. Keep a record of your readings to see how your numbers change. Share this information with your healthcare provider to adjust your plan if needed. Tracking trends helps you stay motivated and provides valuable feedback on your progress. Remember, improvements may be gradual, but every positive change counts. If you experience persistent symptoms like chest pain, severe shortness of breath, or fainting during or after exercise, seek medical attention immediately. These could be signs of a serious problem. Don't ignore warning signs or try to push through discomfort. Your safety is the top priority, and getting help early can prevent complications. Always err on the side of caution when it comes to your health. Your exercise plan should be flexible and adapt to changes in your health, schedule, or preferences. If you experience setbacks, such as illness or travel, adjust your routine rather than stopping altogether. Even short bouts of activity are beneficial. Revisit your goals regularly and make changes as needed to keep your plan realistic and enjoyable. Stress can raise blood pressure and make it harder to stick with healthy habits. Incorporate stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching into your daily routine. Exercise itself is a great way to relieve stress, but combining it with other relaxation methods can enhance the benefits. Find what works best for you and make stress management a priority. Quality sleep is essential for blood pressure control and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support your body's recovery and energy levels. Poor sleep can make it harder to exercise and may increase your risk of hypertension. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve your sleep quality. Regular check-ins with your healthcare provider are important for monitoring your progress and making adjustments to your exercise plan. Share your activity log, blood pressure readings, and any concerns you have. Your doctor can provide guidance, encouragement, and help you stay on track. Ongoing communication ensures your plan remains safe and effective as your needs change. There are many myths about exercising with high blood pressure. Some people believe they should avoid all physical activity, but in reality, regular exercise is one of the best ways to manage hypertension. Others think only intense workouts are effective, but moderate activity is both safe and beneficial. Understanding the facts helps you make informed choices and build confidence in your routine. Here's a sample beginner exercise plan for someone with high blood pressure. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of brisk walking, 3 times a week. Include a 5-minute warm-up and cool-down each session. Add light stretching after your walk. Once comfortable, gradually increase your walking time and frequency. After a few weeks, add 1 session of light strength training. Remember to monitor your blood pressure and adjust as needed. Let's visualize a simple weekly exercise plan for beginners with high blood pressure. This schematic will help you see how to structure your week, balancing aerobic activity, strength training, and rest days. Remember, flexibility is key. Adjust the plan to fit your needs and schedule. Consistency and gradual progress are the most important factors for success. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a condition where the force of blood against your artery walls is consistently too high. Over time, this can damage your heart, blood vessels, and other organs. Managing hypertension involves lifestyle changes, such as exercise, healthy eating, and medication, if needed. Understanding this concept is key to building a safe and effective exercise plan. Congratulations on taking the first step toward better health. Building a beginner exercise plan for high blood pressure is all about starting safely, progressing gradually, and listening to your body. Remember to consult your doctor, set realistic goals, and celebrate your achievements along the way. With consistency and a positive mindset, you can improve your blood pressure and overall well-being. Keep moving forward, your health is worth it.